Who are you? Kiddo, who are you?
Say, I'm Tigger. Here, show Daddy.
Are you Tigger? Can you laugh like Tigger?
Here, leave your hat on. Leave your hat on. Here, I'll get a mirror so you can see. Stay right there with Daddy and I'll get your mirror. That's going to be priceless. Her seeing herself for the first time.
Yeah, come here. Who are you? Hold on. Come here. Like.
Who is that? Is that Tigger? Can you bounce like Tigger? Can you laugh like Tigger? What are you doing? Turn around here and look at Daddy. Can you say, I'm Tigger? Easy, easy, easy. Can you say, I'm Tigger?
Allie, who are you?